to 33. Matthew 14, 22 to 33. Ato nini basahon responsive reading. I will read verse 22, kamo with 23, hangtod makabot kita verse 33, durunganon ito natong pagbasa. Okay? Ano na? In verse 22, nasilidi, and straightway Jesus constrained his disciples to get into the ship and to go before him unto the other side, while he sent the multitudes away. But the ship was now in the midst of the sea, tossed with the waves, for the wind was contrary.
And in the fourth watch of the night, Jesus went unto them, walking on the sea.
And when the disciples saw him walking on the sea, they were troubled, saying, It is a spirit, and they cried out for fear.
But straightway Jesus spake unto them, saying, Fear good cheer, it is I, be not afraid.
And Peter answered him and said, Lord, if it be thou, bid me come unto thee into water.
And he said, Come. And when Peter was come out of the ship, he walked on the water to go to Jesus.
But when he saw the wind boisterous, he was afraid, and notice the word, and beginning to sink, he cried, saying, Lord, save me.
And immediately Jesus stretched forth his hand and caught him, and said unto him, O thou little faith, wherefore didst thou?
And when they were come into the ship, the wind ceased. In verse 33, really read. Then they that were in the ship came and worshipped him, saying, Of a truth, thou art the Son of God. Ang Diyos it magpanalan itong basa, please be seated. Allow me to introduce an atong mensahe this morning, when life starts sinking. When life starts sinking. Ang itong atong mensahe yan na nakulop yan na naaga, when life start sinking. Kung ato makikita nila in verse 30, but when he saw the wind boisterous, he was afraid. And notice the word, and beginning to sink. So kung atong kikitaon, si Pedro, the first man written in the history na makalakat hatubig. Si Pedro